Guidant presents the RX Accunet Embolic Protection System, designed for the capture and recovery of embolic material produced during interventional procedures. This presentation will include recommended techniques for delivery system preparation, filter basket delivery and deployment, and filter basket recovery. Additional materials required for use with the RX Accunet Embolic Protection System include a 6 French introducer sheath or 8 French guiding catheter, a 10 cc lure lock syringe, heparinized normal saline, and a rotating hemostatic valve. Delivery system preparation. Attach a 10 cc syringe with heparinized normal saline to the flush tool. Confirm that the RHV on the flush tool is loosened. Hold the dispenser hoop in an upright position, then flush gently to remove air from the filter. Confirm that no part of the light blue section of the delivery sheath is within the valve of the RHV. Then tighten the RHV. Release the device from the attachment hooks on the dispensing hoop and remove it from the hoop by pulling on the flush tool. Flush again to remove all air from the sheath. Observe fluid exiting the proximal end of the delivery sheath. Slide the included torque device with the peel-away adapter onto the wire up to the edge of the delivery sheath and tighten. While observing through the flush tool, pull back on the torque device until the filter basket is completely within the delivery sheath. Then reposition the torque device at the proximal delivery sheath edge. Loosen the rotating hemostatic valve on the flush tool and remove the flush tool from the system. The delivery system is now ready for use. Filter basket delivery and deployment. The RX Accunet guide wire tip may be shaped as necessary. Insert the tip of the wire into the introducer tool that is included with the delivery system. Insert the introducer tool and delivery system through the hemostatic valve and guiding catheter or long sheath. Then, tighten the valve. Make sure the funnel of the introducer tool is not within the valve. Advance the delivery system through the catheter or sheath and into the desired vessel. The guide wire rotates independently from the filter basket and delivery sheath. Therefore, it is important to steer the guide wire tip with the torque device. Do not torque the delivery sheath. Using the radiopaque guide wire tip, 4 filter basket markers, and the proximal bushing for reference, position the delivery system so that the filter basket is distal to the target lesion and will not interfere with the devices to be used for lesion intervention. Ensure that filter placement allows for adequate space for subsequent balloon and stent placement. Once the delivery system is in the desired position, loosen the torque device to prepare the filter basket for deployment. Then, lift up the light blue proximal end of the delivery sheath, the portion of the sheath that has a pre-formed split in the polymer, and thread the light blue polymer into the peel-away adapter on the torque device until the tip of the collect tube is at the position where the delivery sheath splits off from the guide wire. Ensure the torque device is tightened. Remove all slack from the delivery system and stabilize the torque device with one hand. With the other hand, grasp the proximal end of the delivery sheath and pull in a horizontal direction away from the patient. This will cause the delivery sheath to peel away at the adapter. Under fluoroscopy, observe the filter basket deployment. Continue to pull horizontally on the delivery sheath until the distal blue section of the sheath exits the hemostasis valve. Remove the introducer tool from the hemostasis valve and tighten down the valve if necessary. Remove the torque device, delivery sheath, and introducer tool from the wire. The filter basket wire may now be used to deliver 14 thousandths of an inch compatible interventional devices. Filter basket recovery. Remove the recovery catheter from the dispenser hoop and flush the distal end. Observe fluid exiting from the RX exit notch. The distal 2 to 3 centimeters of the recovery catheter can be shaped if necessary to deflect the catheter tip away from stent struts. Backload the catheter over the wire and advance until the tip of the catheter meets the radiopaque proximal bushing of the filter basket. Attach a torque device to the guide wire. Then gently pull on the wire of the filter basket and at the same time advance the recovery catheter until the 4 basket markers come together. Constraining the basket markers is all that is needed to safely recover the filter basket. Caution! If the wire and catheter are not retracted in unison, the filter basket may redeploy. Securely hold both the filter basket wire and the recovery catheter together as a unit, and pull the system into the guiding catheter or sheath and remove from the body. The RX Accunet Embolic Protection System, designed for the capture and recovery of embolic material produced during interventional procedures. Guidant.